Hi everyone, this is Alex. Today I'm at home and I'm going to cook a noodle dish. It is Chow Mein or Chow Mein, whatever way you think is right. First, let's make some homemade noodle. Today I'm going to use my Philips noodle maker to make the fresh noodle. First, let's change the accessory. Let's use this noodle disc today. Today I'm going to make 2 portions, so I'm going to put 2 cups of the flour, 2nd cup, cover the lid. I'm going to use 2 eggs for the liquid part. 2 eggs first. Now add water to the 2 portion level. Mixed up. Okay, let's turn on the power and I think the noodle is coming out because it goes to the different direction. When the first noodle just came out, it doesn't look that good. You can just get rid of it and then start from here. Toss some flour. Then I can just see, very easy. This will be 1 portion of the noodle. Toss some flour. And just toss some flour. Less than 30 seconds left, and this is the last batch of noodle. 15 seconds. Even the last batch, it seems to look really good. Last batch noodle. This is all the noodle I made from the 2 cups I put in the machine. They look really good. Look just the same as fresh noodle you can buy from the Asian market. Now I'm going to unblock the machine and then clean everything. Let's go through the rest of the ingredients. 1 chicken breast, 1 scallion, 1 carrot, some asparagus, ginger, onion, and some Napa cabbage leaf. I mean, the vegetable is very flexible, and basically you can add whatever vegetable you want. And this is what I have in my fridge, so this is all the vegetable I'm gonna add into my noodle dish. Now I'm going to cut them into small pieces for stir fry. I just cut all the vegetables, and I also cut the big chicken breast into small pieces, a strip shape. Now I'm going to marinate this chicken. I'm going to put some soy sauce, and salt and pepper. And mix them up. I just put some water in the pot, and when it's boiling, I'm gonna cook the noodle. And in another side of the stove, I'm going to make my veggie and the sauce part. So let's turn it on. First put oil. So when the oil is hot, let's put the onion first. Now let's put chicken. When the chicken is almost done, now let's put the rest of the vegetable. Let's put carrots first, and the asparagus, because they are kind of like hard to take longer to cook. Now let's make the sauce for the noodle. First, we're gonna put like soy sauce. You can put as much as you want based on your preference. And then I will put some hoisin sauce with some pork fat. And then after those vegetables done, let's put the rest of the vegetable, which is the cabbage and the green onion. Cover it. Now let's pour the base sauce which is made. And you can see the water will come out from the cabbage. And now set this vegetable aside, and now we can boil the noodle. Stir them, make sure they're not stuck together. Cook about 5 minutes. The noodle looks great, very good quality. And the veggie sauce base is ready, so when the noodle is ready, I'm just gonna put in there and stir fry. And all this like starchy liquid from the noodle will again absorb the soup and the flavor really well. I just taste the noodle. It's well cooked. So I'm going to strain the water and then put in the sauce veggie mix. Woo! Turn on the heat. Now mix it up. It's a lot of noodle here. Look at that. So the soup become very saucy, and then stir the final stir. So I think they're ready to serve. Ta-da! This is the final noodle for the Chow Mein. Look at that. It's very looks very good. Very saucy. Look at the sauce. Stuck on the noodle and the chicken, the veggie. Let me taste it right now. Wow, it's so good. It's a little salty from the soy sauce and the seafood flavor from the hoisin sauce, and also the sweetness from the hoisin sauce. And the chicken and the asparagus, carrots, just really good combination. It is so good, very comforting. And when you cook the noodle, you can change it how you can decide how well the noodle you want to have. If you want a little chewy, then you can just cook less time. But if you want a soft, then you can cook a little longer. Mine is like in the medium, which is a little chewy and a little soft, which is really good. I hope you guys liked today's video and try to make this noodle dish at home. And if you have any questions, just leave the question below and I will answer your question. Thank you very much, you guys, and please like my video and subscribe. Bye.